Yeah? No? You've got a bike?
I've got a bike, yeah.
No, you're going to do the 63 mile one, what are you going to do? We want to go up on the bank really. Well, we can be on both to be honest with you, but... Yeah, but I think if I had silver wheels it would look better.
Able to drive off. No issue.
You guys don't understand why that's nostalgic. You need to go and play Need for Speed.
Where else are you going to see a vehicle flip over multiple times?
One doesn't know what it is.
Well, we're looking at 2 yellow flags on circuit. Can the Skoda, I'm going to keep calling it a police shout. No one in. Right. It's Tam.
Bought myself a Kinder Bueno cupcake. I've got some old school cake. It's for kids, Mum. She just says it's for kids. Because we're going on the track again, another parade session. The only one of the day. So we're going to go out on it. Because I wanted to track the car, but I don't feel like I should because it's too nice of a 350Z. So we're going to head to the track now. Get out of the way, peeps. My heart attack fuel. It's exciting times, isn't it?
Yeah. I've got my seatbelt on.
You excited to go out on track, Mum?
I am, yeah. Again?
Again?
Yeah, it's going to be good.
It's running a bit late, isn't it? Because I think there's been a crash on track.
15 minutes.
Yeah, 15 minutes. But it sounds like they've actually checked a flag this session now, so hopefully soon.
Making a move now then?
Yeah. Performance safety car. So the middle of the pack also gets security. We're back on track again. With 25 miles an hour.
Half of camera now.
Us going around the track. 27 miles an hour.
It's fast enough for me.
It's fast enough for you. Can't be going anywhere at all.
That's good.
That's when they was racing around, wasn't it? Oh, there's more people up here.
Yeah. They'll be drifting here soon, won't they?
Yeah, they will. This guy just pulling off it.
Yeah, safety car, especially.
your phone if it's a safety car? Camp corner. I suppose that's called camp because it's probably where they had all the. This is probably where the barracks were originally. Probably on this side. That's called camp.
Just sneak through there and just go round.
Keep them together there, mates, obviously. I'll show beers.
Smack that wall with some fork.
Yeah, he probably did. I always find this stuff weird. It's like of a bygone era. When this place is probably absolutely packed full of the rafters of people. Unfortunately, I think it's just a sign of the times, isn't it? Family party. Birthday as well. Cameron beer. Can I just ask, so you like the colour of this one, you didn't like the colour of that Lamborghini that was at that other show and you preferred the telephone box? I can't remember, but you preferred the telephone box.
Oh, the telephone boxes, yes. Fabulous.
No! What do you think of that one?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's alright.
It's alright?
Yeah.
So you don't like the anime on the front of it?
No,
Do you like the max power esque of it? It's very max power. I think it's Adam C's car. I think from memory, yeah. The guy that's currently up there talking to everyone. Becky Evans.
At the tone, please record your message.
cars out on track. There's that M3 GTR, the most wanted one.